The Nashua High School South Pedestrian Bridge replacement was a complex project for the heavily used pedestrian bridge in the city's historic Mine Falls Park. When the original bridge reached the end of its service life, a temporary bridge was needed to maintain the pedestrian traffic while a permanent bridge was being designed, permitted, and constructed. The temporary bridge was removed from a site in Peterborough, New Hampshire, and transported to Nashua, where it was lifted and dropped into place. The final step was replacing the original bridge with the new arch-shaped steel truss bridge. A crane was brought on site to help install the new bridge into its permanent location.